back again with another video. So right here is an update on a BeeNetwork. So this is BeeNetwork Telegram wallet, the Telegram bot. So there are other features on the Telegram bot on the BeeNetwork where you can also earn USDT and withdraw it swiftly to your custodian wallet, maybe MetaMask or Trust wallet, whichever wallet you have. So this is just the BeeNetwork, and the BeeNetwork integrated is a bot, B wallet bot on Telegram. Maybe on the future they will link it, or you can link it to the main platform. But for the now, I don't know. But for the now, they are way for you to earn a USDT. So and this as the way you can earn. One, you complete their tasks on the bot. If you complete the task on the bot, then you can earn USDT. But the minimum amount for withdrawal is 18 USDT. So once you get to the 18 USDT, then you can withdraw. So let me just walk you on how to complete the task. So this is the area of the task. So this is it. So you come here. So this is the task. So this is how to earn. So you complete the task. So you go to the task section. So so those are the tasks that I've completed. These are the tasks that I've completed. So once you complete any task, so it will show here. So this is the task section. So this is your referral. You can also earn through referrals. So let's go to the tax. So I click on the tax. So it says 0.5 USDT. It says join the WhatsApp channel. So you click on it. It will take you directly to the WhatsApp channel. So this is the WhatsApp channel. So other platform do like advertise their platform on the BeeNetwork. So that is why. So if you join this group, you are going to earn that 0.5 USDT on the Bee Telegram wallet. So we click on it. So meaning that I'll follow them. So I'll just say not now. So I'll swiftly go back to the platform. So I'll click on it. So once you have done that, so meaning you have completed that task, then you head back. So meaning I've already completed the task. For me to join, I've already completed that. You can see that my task now, I've completed 6 tasks. So I'll go back. So right here, you can complete this task. You download the app and sign up. So once you download the app and you sign up, you are going to earn this 0.5 USDT. So that is how you complete all the tasks. Then this one say watch and click on the ad. So if you click on it, so it will take you direct to the ad. So you just wait patiently. So you can see that the ad now is moving. So once the ad is completed, then you have already earned it. You can see it. So it's counting right now. So as it's counting, meaning that. So I'll click on continue. So you can see. So just at the process of this, just go back. Don't follow up with it. Just go back. Completed 3 out of the 5. So remaining 3 left. So I'll have to watch 3 hard left to complete this. So this is just it. So all you need to do next is just for you to download this app. Then you sign up. Then you visit the website and wait for 15 seconds. Just click on this, visit the website, then you wait for 15 seconds. So you head back again to the platform. Then you complete the other tasks. So this is just how to earn on this BeeNetwork. So this is just how to earn on the BeeNetwork Telegram wallet bots. So here you can get your referrals. You click on the referral sections, then you can refer. If you refer one person, you will get 2 USDT for referrals. So this is just the beauty of this Telegram BeeNetwork bots. So this is just about it. So if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Peace out.